How to speed up video in CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to speed up a video in CapCut. Whether you are creating fast-paced content or a time-lapse effect, it's super simple to do. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and create a new project. Select the video you want to speed up from a gallery and tap Add. Your clip will now appear on the timeline. To adjust the speed, tap on a video in the timeline to select it. Then scroll through the bottom menu and tap Speed. You will see two options, Normal and Curve. For basic speed adjustments, choose Normal and drag the slider to select to the right to increase the speed. For example, setting it to 2x doubles the speed while 4x makes it 4 times faster. For more advanced control, select Curve. Here, you can customize the speed at different points in a video by adjusting the curve graph. This is great for creating dramatic effects. Once you have adjusted the speed, tap the play button to review your changes. If everything looks good, tap Export to save your speed up video. And that's it. Now you know how to speed up a video in CapCut. It's quick, easy and adds a fun dynamic to your edits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.